Coronation Day. Hello, downtown. It's Coronation Day. Hello, Christmas tree. It's Coronation Day. Hello, bikes with Christmas tree on top of them. It's Coronation Day. Hello, cluster of postcards. It's Coronation Day. Hello, music poster. I'm too lazy to hang up. It's Coronation Day. Hey, hello, washing machine. It's Coronation Day. Coronation Day. It's Coronation Day.
He got a drone today.
I got a drone today. It's the Mavic Mini. It's small. It's 249 grams, so you can fly it practically anywhere. Yeah, I am so ready to do this. Can we just open it? Can we just open it?
He's been dying to dig into this.
It's raining today, so I couldn't fly it today, so... I
think it might be snowing tomorrow. Sorry. But it's here.
But it's here.
Yay!
Ooh. It's so clean.
So we're planning for a big trip we're taking in March. We're going to Normandy. Yeah, we're going to go see our friends. And then we're going somewhere after that.
Aha!
Ooh. Here's the big moment, Christopher. The moment you've been waiting for.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, another beautiful carrying case. We all know how much I love those. Ooh, there's some more. Okay, it's all your thing. It's your thing.
Look at that.
Oh, it's got little baby QR code stickers. It's got a little handle. Carrying cases. Oh my gosh.
It's so pretty looking.
And it's so teeny tiny. Look at that. It's going to fit perfectly in our carry-on suitcase.
We got the Fly More package because it has extra batteries and it has a charger that you can't actually purchase off market. Propeller guards. So it wraps around the propellers so they don't hurt anything or anybody. Propellers don't break.
What if it's not actually in there? What if it's like...
Close-up recording of the microphone. Listen. Stereo.
He's very excited about that.
Oh, yes.
It's so pretty. Look at this.
Wait, yeah. Oh, it feels so good.
And it's not going to get hurt. Did you just sniffed your drone carrying case?
Smell of plastic. The good kind of plastic.
Like,
the tech plastic.
It's like nice and soft. Ooh, ooh. What does this say? Fold the... Did you just...
I don't know.
They put a lot of care into this packaging details. I appreciate the product packaging of this.
I just take off the things that need to be taken
detailed.
off. The battery butt. It's basically saying this is its battery butt. Okay, so here's the drone. It's so small. This is my phonesies, and this is my dronesies.
You have to name this one too.
Oh, something coffee related. Camera's Maxwell, like the coffee, and then the tripod's Tampy. Maybe.
Sensing a trend.
And this one, the drone, Mavic.
Inspiration has to strike.
Right.
I'm not sure about this yet. Maybe if you have any suggestions. It's so cute. What does this drone mean to you, Christopher?
Epic shots. Establishing shots. Okay, so establishing shots are what you establish the location with. With this, you know the jib shots that like start movies and that end movies, like it's the camera going from the house and the kids riding away on their bikes into the sunset, and the camera like pans, like jibs up into the trees. We're not gonna set up a whole... Oops. What is this?
It's the case, the protective case around the camera.
Everything's fine. So this is gonna be the little uppy shot into the credits. It's the downy shot to begin the movie. It's the establishing shot. All that to say, it lets you know where we are.
That's what you're most excited about with this.
Yes, you get to like the bigger picture. With a phone, with the camera, you can't capture like the essence of a place. With a camera like this, you can capture like the beach in Normandy, the majesty of Mont Saint Michel. So the reason we returned the first one and got the Fly More package was because of this guy. Oh, my heart. But the reason why this is cool is you charge 3 at a time, and then it charges the one that has the most battery power left so that you can get back to flying again. And then it goes on sequentially to the other ones that have more charge than the others. So you fly faster with this thing.
I can't wait to see your face while you're flying this. Like, it's just going to be pure wonder. It's like, that's your face.
Pretty much.
Get ready for lots of Instagram shots of me, like, capturing that face.
Ooh, okay, so this is the controller. So excited.
Okay.
You know why? Because we can't fly as humans. You know, we've dreamed the dream of flight for the longest, and we've, you know, gotten there, I guess. But you're flying, but you don't like experience the vision of flight. This gives you the vision of flight. Does that make sense? I mean, I could do base jumping. I could go that route.
I much prefer the drone.
Okay.
I much prefer the drone.
Little things in here. Little knobs for the controller.
Cute. And then what do you put your, where's your phone? You put your phone in there?
Is that gonna work?
I think it might be a little bit too chunky.
Extra propellers. Do you guys like smelling your new gear? Okay, cables, more
Driving
cables.
is complex, but flying is easy.
We'll see.
But it's saying it's easier than driving a car.
What is this?
Oh, adapters for like from here to phones.
Okay, this one. Oh, it did a thing. Hold on. What's that?
You press once to check the battery level, and you press and hold to turn on and off. That's to turn on.
Off.
Oh, there we go. It's off.
Nice. What a joyful sound.
Yes.
So each battery lasts about 15 minutes in windy weather and 30 minutes generously in not windy weather. But these will help me fly longer than 15 to 30 minutes.
Not just any battery. Intelligent flight battery.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. That's what it says, though. Pair of spare control sticks. Spare control sticks. Why would you need... Like, what would cause the control sticks to break?
Like some intense flying.
Exactly. Like, why would you need spare controls? Like, but you should never be making, like, those bold moves, right?
Things could get intense. I don't know. I have the most barbaric way of opening these things.
What are you doing?
Getting it done.
Poor packaging.
It did its job. It packaged.
But they designed it for the
here.
experience, you know? Like, the experience of properly opening it up.
The experience is frustrating me. Like, what's in here?
It was designed for you to open it and then be like, oh, look, it's nice.
It's so nice.
So it's like, it's the adapter. So now, how does this, like...
I put that right up my nose.
Fully charged.
This is exactly the weight. It's 1 gram underneath the weight that you need, like, a license to fly it.
That's why they say very prominently 249 grams.
249 grams.
Yeah, so it's very clear.
I want to take it off from the car. Like, maybe park and then take it off and then say, hey, follow my car.
I could do location following?
Mm-hmm. It needs to just look pretty. Yeah, looks nice. The propeller guards.
Ooh.
There we are. Lovely, lovely. So that way, if it like hits a tree or hits a branch or hits a wall, hits a person, it's gonna like not cut them.
Ooh.
Yeah, you didn't think about that, did you?
No.
Yeah, that's the thing.
So, Christopher, it's Coronation Day.
It's Coronation Day. Can we fly? Can we fly? Can we fly?
Well,
let's go fly. It's Coronation Day. Let's go fly a kite. There's no place like home. So, ooh, it is nippy. Slow-mo this. Not entirely sure how good an idea it is to fly today. It's pretty cold and I have a low battery in my phone. But we will see how this goes. Phone battery died, it's cold. And yeah, I think I got some neat footage. Let's take it back to the car, take a look at what we got, charge the phone a bit, maybe take it off from over there and fly around for a bit.
You look so happy.
Nice.